In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to family share on Steam. If you've ever wanted to share your Steam library with family or friends, you're in the right place. Steam's family library sharing is a great feature that allows you to let others access your game library without having to purchase the games again. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, make sure you're on your Steam homepage. Once you've logged into your Steam account, you should see your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This is where you can access various settings related to your account. From the drop-down, you'll want to click on Account Details. This section contains all the personal information and settings related to your Steam account. It's always good to familiarize yourself with these settings as they can be very useful for managing different aspects of your account. Once you're in the Account Details section, look for the Family tab and click on Family Management. This is the hub for all things related to family sharing, where you can set up and manage your family group. Now, you'll see options to either create a new family group or join an existing one. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead and create a new family. This is the option you'll want if you're the one initiating the family sharing. After clicking on Create a Family, you'll need to set up the details for your family group. This involves naming your family group and deciding who you want to include. You can invite family members or close friends by sending them an invitation. Steam will guide you through the process of inviting them, so follow the on-screen instructions. Once your family members accept the invitation, they will be able to access your shared library on their own devices. It's important to note that only one person can play a shared game at a time, so keep that in mind when planning your gaming sessions. And there you have it. You've successfully set up family sharing on Steam. This feature is a fantastic way to share the joy of gaming with your loved ones without them having to purchase the games you already own. Remember, always share responsibly and make sure your account remains secure by only sharing with people you trust. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Steam experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!